Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is jowar upma. So there's a funny incident behind this recipe. So me and my mom went to the supermarket to get some whole coriander seeds but ended up picking up jowar. So I thought since we've already got it on hand, let's try some millet recipe. And I decided to try jowar upma. So this is pretty easy to make, but the jowar does take a lot of time to cook. So be careful with that. Ingredients list is given below. So let's start with how to cook jowar. So I've soaked the jowar after washing and cleaning it in some water. We'll soak this for minimum 8 to 10 hours. Then I've transferred it into a cooker. So for 1 cup, I've added 2.5 cup of water and a little bit of salt to taste. And we're going to pressure cook this on medium heat for 4 to 5 whistles. Once the pressure releases completely, you can open the cooker. Now let's move on to making the upma. Heat some ghee on medium-high in a pan. Make sure you use ghee for this recipe because it helps with digestion of the millets. Add in some mustard seeds and urad dal to this ghee and allow it to splutter nicely. After which we'll add asafoetida and curry leaves. Mix everything well and temper it nicely. Now it's time to add in the ginger, green chillies and the onion. Add this into the pan and saute it for a while until the onion turns translucent. So once the onions are done, I am adding veggies in this upma. This is totally optional. If you want, you can just add in the jowar and cook the upma as such. But I wanted to add some vegetables. So vegetables also can be of your own choice. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt to this and let the veggies cook nicely. So let's cover and let the carrot and the green peas cook well. Once they are cooked, it's time to add the pressure cooked jowar to this. So you can see it's slightly wet at this stage. We'll have to cook down and make this semi-dry. So I'm going to mix it nicely and allow it to cook further. Now you can see it's dried up a little bit. Now let's add some lime juice. Give it a nice mix once again. Switch off the flame and add in some coriander leaves. And the jowar upma is ready to be served. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with new recipes again. Until then, bye bye.